Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is vector algebra. Now subtopic is product of vectors. Okay, now here product of vectors are two types. First one, dot product or scalar product, vector product or cross product. Okay, now your first point, the dot product of two vectors is a scalar. Second point, the cross product of two vectors is a vector. Okay, next third point, the product of vectors is defined in between the two vectors but not a scalar and vector. Okay, next definition of a dot product or scalar product. Let A bar B bar be two non-zero vectors, then mod A bar mod B bar cos A bar comma B bar is defined as scalar product or dot product of two vectors. Let here A bar comma B bar is equal to theta and the scalar product or dot product is denoted by A bar dot B bar. Now A bar dot B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar into cos theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. Okay. Now the dot product or a scalar product of A bar comma B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar into cos A bar comma B bar. Next one, cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. Now here theta between 0 and 90 degrees, then A dot B value greater than 0. Here first one, if 0 less than theta less than 90 degrees, then A dot B greater than 0. If theta is equal to 90, theta is equal to 90, cos 90, 0. Therefore, A dot B is equal to 0. Okay, next third one, if theta greater than 90 degrees, then A dot B less than 0. Okay, if A dot B is equal to 0, then A bar B bar are called orthogonal vectors or A bar perpendicular B bar. Now here important condition, if A bar dot B bar equal to 0, if and only if A bar perpendicular B bar. A bar perpendicular B bar means A dot B is equal to 0. Okay, now here important results, dot product of two vectors is a commutative. Means now here A dot B is equal to B dot A. Second point, associative law is not defined with respect to dot product. Okay, next third one, if A bar B bar are two non-zero parallel vectors, then A dot B is equal to plus or minus mod A bar mod B bar. Okay, now we know that according to this one, A bar dot, now according to definition of scalar product, A dot B is equal to mod A bar mod B bar cos theta or cos A bar comma B bar, cos A bar comma B bar. Let A bar comma B bar is equal to theta means case 1. Now here theta is equal to 0 degrees. Now A dot B equal to mod A bar mod B bar cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1. Now A dot B is equal to mod A mod B. Now equation 1. Okay, next case 2. Now parallel means theta equal to 0 or 180 degrees. Case 2, if theta equal to 180 degrees. Now A dot B equal to mod A mod B cos 180 degrees. Okay, now cos 180 value minus 1. This value minus of mod A mod B. Now from equation 1 and 2, A dot B is equal to plus or minus mod A bar mod B bar, when A bar B bar are two non-zero parallel vectors. Now here note, if A bar and B bar, note, if A bar B bar are two unit parallel vectors, then A bar dot B bar is equal to plus or minus 1. A bar dot B bar is equal to plus or minus 1. Next one, in particular, A bar dot A bar is equal to mod A bar square A square. Now in dot product, A bar square A square all are equal. If I bar, J bar, K bar are unit vectors in right-handed system, I bar dot I bar is equal to J bar dot J bar is equal to K bar dot K bar is equal to 1. Okay, now here I bar, J bar, K bar. Now here I bar, J bar, K bar. Okay, I bar dot I bar is equal to I bar dot I bar is equal to mod I bar. Now angle between I bar comma I bar means cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1. Mod I bar value is 1. 1 into 1 into 1. That value is equal to 1. Therefore, I bar dot I bar is equal to 1. Similarly, J bar dot J bar is equal to 1. K bar dot K bar is equal to 1. Okay, next I bar dot J bar. I bar dot J bar means, now angle between I bar comma J bar value 90 degrees. Now I bar comma I bar dot J bar is equal to mod I bar mod J bar cos I bar comma J bar. Cos I bar comma J bar. Okay, mod I bar value is 1. Mod J bar value is 1. Now I bar comma J bar value cos 90, that value is 0. Now 0 into anything equal to 0. Therefore, I bar dot J bar is equal to 0. Similarly, J bar dot K bar dot I bar is equal to 0. Next, third one, if A bar is equal to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar and B bar is equal to B1 I bar plus B2 J bar plus B3 K bar, then A bar dot B bar is equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. Okay, next concept, projection of a vector B bar in the direction of A bar. Okay, now here PQ, now here A bar is one of the vector. Now projection here B bar in the direction of A bar. Now draw the here perpendiculars from A bar. Now here from triangle PQR, now cos theta is equal to PR by PQ. Now by cross multiplication, PR is equal to PQ cos theta. Now PQ value is mod B bar cos theta. Okay, we know that cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. Now here mod B bar cancel. Now A bar dot B bar by mod A bar. Therefore, the projection of B bar in the direction of A bar is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar. Similarly, the projection of A bar in the direction of B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. Note, first one, the orthogonal projection of a vector is a vector. The projection of a vector is a scalar. The orthogonal projection of a vector of A bar in the direction of B bar is A bar dot B bar into B bar by mod B bar square. The orthogonal projection of B bar in the direction of A bar is A bar dot B bar into A bar by mod A bar square. Okay, now here just identify that points. Projection of A bar on B bar is equal to component of A bar on B bar. Now here projection of A bar on B bar equal to component of A bar on B bar. Orthogonal projection of A bar on B bar is equal to component vector of A bar on B bar. Component vector of A bar on B bar. Next one, the orthogonal projection of B bar in the direction perpendicular to that of A bar is equal to B bar minus B bar dot A bar into A bar by mod A bar square. Okay, next one, the orthogonal projection of A bar in the direction perpendicular to that of B bar is equal to A bar minus A bar dot B bar into B bar by mod B bar square. If theta is the angle between the line x minus x1 by L equal to y minus y1 by M equal to z minus z1 by N and the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, then now our first one sin theta is equal to AL plus BM plus CN by root over A square plus B square plus C square into square root of L square plus M square plus N square. If the line is perpendicular to the plane, then condition is L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. If the line is parallel to the plane, then condition is AL plus BM plus CN equal to 0.